Hello, I am Maria Papadopoulou. I am postdoctoral researcher in ULB University in Belgium in the team of David Vermeulen. I am involved in work package 3 of HORUS, and I have received samples from patients. I processed them and I'm currently analyzing them. Our aim is to study immune cells and see if they respond to CMV in an effort to predict better the treatment against the virus for the patients. The samples we process are from patients that have not been previously infected by CMV and receive a transplant organ by a CMV positive donor. We look at specific immune cells of blood at several time points using a technique that is called single-cell sequencing. And we can track each cell using a kind of biological barcode and see how they respond after the viral infection. And we compare this to the patients that are protected against the virus.